Here today, we're tackling one of the biggest challenges in any home, clutter. Let's dive into innovative storage solutions that can help you achieve a clutter-free living space. First up, let's look at multifunctional furniture. Consider investing in pieces like beds with built-in drawers, ottomans with storage compartments, and coffee tables with extra shelves. These furniture pieces not only save space, but also keep your essentials neatly tucked away. Next, think vertically. Utilize your wall space by installing floating shelves or tall, narrow cabinets. This approach not only clears up floor space, but also draws the eye upward, making your rooms feel larger. Don't forget the hidden spaces. Under the stairs can be transformed into pull-out cabinets or shelves, perfect for storing shoes, books, or seasonal items. Similarly, the area above your doors can host slim shelves for items you don't use daily. Lastly, consider using pegboards in your kitchen, garage, or craft rooms. Pegboards are incredibly versatile for hanging tools, utensils, or craft supplies, keeping them handy yet out of the way. With these innovative storage solutions, you can maximize every inch of your home and enjoy a cleaner, more organized living environment.